Oh.
Yeah,
no
I turned the water off.
Well. The toilet is fine.
Toilet's fine? Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Great.
All right.
Anything you need, holler.
Okay, we'll do. Thank you. These are, you can't buy these anymore. These are no longer purchasable, is what I was told, but I can try and fix the, replace the washer. These are, I think, American Standard is what they told me. And these are hacked to hell, so don't bust my balls about using whatchamacallits. Nipex Smooth Jaw. These are hacked to hell. There you go. All right, these are the 1/4-inch size washers. It's the washers. The 0 ones fit perfectly, but I don't think the 0 ones would, I think there was a little bit too much play around the edges here. So, yeah. All right, let's try these. All right, you just thread those back in.
If there are, possible to change the whole sink here, but there's.
Water's behind this rosemary bush. That smells really good. It makes me smell like rosemary all day. Oh, okay, I just have to switch these. Okay, I just got to take these off and switch the handles around.
Oh.
It worked. So I just undo the screw here, and then I just flip this, and then it'll be at the same. You get what I'm saying? I can put them however you like them. Do you want them like this? Or do you like them like that?
Probably the same way, either way.
I think they were like this. I'm pretty sure they were like this.
No, they were both down and up. Up was on and down was off.
Down was off, yeah. So it was like the cold here.
Right.
So I'll make the hot the same as the cold.
Great, that'd be fine.
Yep, let me grab my screwdriver. I don't know if that worked. Yeah, it did. Maybe I just need to get these a little tighter. That actually worked, I think. He's just gonna really have to... Yikes. Everything's galvanized in this building. Yeah, I think that did work, but these are just so crusty that I think he's really going to need to just tighten those to get it to stop dripping. All right, on to the next.